Hi, today I'll show you how to download this free and absolutely amazing adult app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. First of all, you'll have to get a downloader, and there is a quite high chance that you already have this app on your device. And if you do, then just skip to the next part of the video. But if you don't have the downloader yet, or you're not sure how to use it, then watch this part of the video as well. So to get the downloader, we just go to search and start typing downloader here. And here it is in the search results. We click on it, and here's the application which you need to download from the official Amazon App Store. And it's totally free to download, which is of course great. But after we have downloaded the app, it's not ready yet to download other applications from the internet. We have to set it up, and we can do so by going to settings. Click on that gear in the right part of the screen. Then we just go down and find that My Fire TV button, click on it. Here you'll have to enter developer options, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and also enable that option for the downloader. But there is a chance that after you enter the My Fire TV, you will not see the developer options yet, because they are hidden by default on some of the Fire TV stick devices and on some of Fire TV cubes as well. But don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV stick, and make sure to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. Let's do it. As you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer, but that's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now, and if you just go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, and of course you open them, enable ADB debugging, go to install on apps, and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does, it now allows our downloader to install other applications from the internet, pretty much any application which works for Fire TV or Android devices, and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. Now our downloader is completely installed and totally set up to use. But there is one thing which I really recommend doing before accessing the downloader. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online. So your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online. And that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps, like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. After we got a VPN up and running, we can finally safely use the downloader, open it. And here in that search bar, we are going to type a link address. You'll now see it on my screen. So here's the link, just type it the same way I did on my screen, and click on go. Then a website is going to open, and you just gotta click on that link. Now the download has started. Click on install in the right bottom corner. And then before actually clicking on open, we gotta click on done. We are doing it this way so we could delete the installation files, because they clog the memory of your Fire Stick and you don't have too much of free memory here anyway. So always make sure to delete those unnecessary installation files. Click on delete here and delete once again. Then the app is going to appear here in the list of your apps, but I also really recommend setting up a mouse toggle for your Fire Stick. Basically what it does is going to allow you to use a mouse cursor in any applications, and it's going to be real useful when accessing those media files in the app. And here's a link for you on the screen to access that mouse toggle tutorial.